Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, you're probably saying to yourself, what car is that, or why does it look like that? Basically, as a cartoonist, you can do really stylized cartoons of all sorts. So I thought today's lesson would be very interesting to share with you. When you're drawing a car, it doesn't have to look proper. You can exaggerate or distort some of this styles and so forth. So the next 3 lessons, you're going to see different cars and trucks in a very stylized technique like this. These are from like close to the 1960s and 50s of cartoon animation that used to be on TV. Anyways, as I always say, if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.